Welcome to Insight Academy, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of science, technology, and mind-bending concepts. Today, we're tackling one of the most intriguing questions in physics. Can time travel really happen? It might sound like a concept straight out of a science fiction novel, but when we look at the science, there's a lot more to time travel than just fantasy. From Einstein's groundbreaking theory of relativity to the mind-boggling possibilities of wormholes, let's explore the physics behind time travel and how it might one day be possible. What is time? Before diving into time travel, let's first understand time itself. Time is often called the fourth dimension, alongside the three spatial dimensions that shape our world. But unlike space, which we can move through in all directions, time seems to flow in only one direction, from the past, through the present, and into the future. This constant flow of time is something we all experience, but could there be a way to break this flow? Could we travel backward in time or jump ahead to the future? The theory of relativity. This is where Albert Einstein's theory of relativity comes in. His theory revolutionized our understanding of time, showing that it isn't as fixed as we once thought. According to Einstein, time is actually relative. It can change depending on how fast you're moving or how strong a gravitational field you're in. In simple terms, time can stretch or compress based on your motion through space. The faster you move, the slower time moves for you compared to someone at rest. So, theoretically, if you could travel close to the speed of light, you could experience time at a much slower rate than those who aren't moving that fast. Time dilation, a key to time travel. One mind-blowing consequence of this is time dilation. This phenomenon happens when you travel at speeds near the speed of light. For example, if you went on a space journey at near light speed and returned to Earth, you could find that while only a few years have passed for you, centuries might have gone by on Earth. It's as if the clock slows down for you as you near light speed. This concept isn't just theory. Time dilation has been observed with astronauts and high-speed particles. Could this be the key to traveling into the future? Wormholes, shortcuts through time and space. Now, let's take a look at wormholes. Wormholes are theoretical passages through space-time that could act as shortcuts between two distant points in the universe. Think of them as tunnels in space and time that could connect two different locations, potentially allowing for faster-than-light travel. In theory, if wormholes exist, they could allow us to jump across vast distances, and possibly even move backward or forward in time. While we've never observed a wormhole, the math behind them suggests they could be real. But there's still a lot of work to do before we can understand whether they're feasible for time travel. The grandfather paradox, a time travel dilemma. But let's not forget about the grandfather paradox. What happens if you travel back in time and change something important? For example, if you went back and accidentally prevented your grandfather from meeting your grandmother, you could erase your own existence. So, what does that mean for time travel? Some scientists argue that this kind of paradox would prevent time travel to the past because it would create logical contradictions. But could there be a way to bypass this issue? That's where new theories come into play. Multiverse theory and time travel. One possible solution comes from the multiverse theory. According to this theory, instead of changing the timeline you originally came from, you would create a new timeline entirely. This means that if you traveled back in time and made a change, you wouldn't erase your own existence, you would simply create a parallel reality. So, instead of altering the past, you would create a new branch of the universe, one where events unfold differently. This opens up the possibility of safe time travel without erasing your own future. Can we actually time travel? So, where does all this leave us? The physics behind time travel is incredibly fascinating, and many of these concepts are rooted in real scientific theories. However, the practical ability to travel through time, whether forward or backward, is still far beyond our reach. We've made great strides in understanding the physics of time, but we still don't have the technology or knowledge to manipulate time in the way we see in movies. But as our understanding of quantum mechanics and space-time continues to grow, the future could hold surprises we can't yet imagine. Time travel may seem like an impossible dream, but the science behind it is very real. As we continue to explore the mysteries of space, time, and the universe, who knows what breakthroughs might allow us to one day travel through time. Thanks for joining us at Insight Academy for this incredible journey into the world of time travel. If you enjoyed learning about the physics of time, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos on mind-blowing topics like this.